Today I'm going to share a really good tip. If you don't like people looking at you when you're filming outdoors, here is something you can do. What I would recommend, just find an empty place just like this, which is an abandoned mine which I randomly discovered walking through the forest, and it's completely empty. Like, the forest itself is so large and it's so empty, and then it's basically completely shielded up. You couldn't hear or see a human being for probably like a few miles around myself. It's super nice to be here. You don't have to worry about people walking by. It's so shielded off. There's a big fence around it. When you're like in a quote-unquote safe space where there's no chance of anyone walking by, it's so much fun to film here because you don't have to worry about it. You can really shout your voice out and nobody will hear you and turn their head. It's so much easier speaking in front of a camera, and especially speaking loudly. For myself, this is one of the most relaxing places of all. Just find like an abandoned place somewhere outside in the shade so you don't overheat, and then record all of your videos in batch.